Yeah, you read the title right. I'm creating a second channel. If you've been watching my videos over the last few years, you know I like to make various types of content, whether it be car, bike, boat, even travel vlogs. I love making videos. But the sad truth is I found it very difficult to post anything other than bikes on this channel. That's why I've decided to make a second channel called Jish Second Gear. The main reason for this is I felt like I was in an invisible box on YouTube where all my content was only being seen by people who want to see bike content, and obviously they didn't want to see other things. So I've decided to make a second channel, a second algorithm bubble, if you want to call it that, where other people that do want to see car content can go and view and see that. And over there, we'll be doing automotive stuff, workshop vlogs, car videos. We'll also be doing bike extras videos over there, like travel vlogs and all that kind of thing. So there's going to be things that you might enjoy too. The links are all down below if you want to check it out. Still plenty going on this channel. I've got so many things in the pipeline. I'll leave the links down below, so please go and check it out. Please subscribe, that will help massively with the startup of that channel. I've got a new video going live soon on this channel that'll also be linked to a video on the second channel. So keep an eye out, and I cannot wait to see you over there.